Hello and welcome to my channel Big Tension for India. As Pakistan set to train Bangladesh art military, Bangladesh has reportedly accepted the proposal and initial discussions about the visit have already taken place, though the exact dates have not yet been announced. The Pakistan Army appears to be making a comeback in Bangladesh after 73 years, with reports indicating that senior military officials, including a general, may soon visit the country. To recall, in 1971, the Pakistani army was driven out of East Pakistan. According to a News 18 report, General Shahir Shamsad Mirza, Pakistan's chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, has sent a proposal to Bangladesh where he expressed his desire to visit Bangladesh military training institutes, including the Infantry and Tactics School and the Defense Services Command. He has also expressed his desire to address young officers at the Bangladesh Army Staff College as a guest speaker. Since Sheikh Hasina was forcefully ousted from power and Muhammad Yunus held the top position, Bangladesh has been drawing closer to Pakistan. In 2022, Sheikh Hasina had denied permission for the Pakistan warship PNS Taimur to dock at Chittagong. However, reports suggest that Bangladesh is preparing for a joint naval exercise with the Pakistan's Navy in the Bay of Bengal. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Many thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for notification. Thank you very much.